Alright, for this unboxing video, guys, we will be unboxing WarGreymon and Tai from Digimon. So, before I continue this video, please like the video and please subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet. So, this figure was released by Megahouse and is part of their Precious Gem series. And yeah, I'll put the timestamps below and let's go ahead and unbox this. Nothing in the box. Nothing else in the box. Alright, I'm having a bit of trouble. getting this back piece into this hole. As you can see right here, it might be a little bit hard to see, but you see that little white ridge? There's a little white ridge right there. I think it's blocking me from inserting this piece right here. I'm trying to get this piece, and it's supposed to fit in a certain way. I think it's a little bit off. You see how it should just simply get pushed in? It should just go in easily. It's not actually doing that. And I'm just having a tough time getting this inserted. So let me try this other piece. So let's try the left side of his back, which is the same thing. It's shaped a certain way, so it's basically like playing Tetris. So let's see if I could get this in here. Ouch. No way. I just got cut by the figure. But back to trying to get this piece in. Should just go in, right? As you guys can tell, it's very, very hard for me to get this pushed in. I'm pretty sure this white part is not supposed to be covered. It's quite frustrating because there's only 2 pieces to put in him and he's like complete. And the simplest thing is the most difficult, apparently. And I'm pretty sure I had the angle right. Alright, if you can see like the inside pieces or the inside insertion or whatever you want to call that. You see that little white part? That's the part where it's like blocking me from putting his wings all the way inside. It's kind of frustrating me. Alright, I just somewhat put Wargreymon together. He only came in really just the wing pieces, and then you have tie, and then the base plate to put them on, and that is pretty much it with this figure. I mean, everything on this figure looks freaking amazing. Like, this is Megahouse is definitely my favorite, probably producer, manufacturer, whatever you call them. They're probably my favorite right now. But my one biggest issue with this figure that's gonna annoy me forever with this figure is these goddamn wings. If you can see right here, guys, this is forever gonna bother me because I showed you earlier in the video where they didn't quite cut it out correctly, and so on the inside it's too much. It's too much. There's not enough gap. They didn't cut out enough pieces for the pieces to fit all the way in, because I'm pretty sure that these are not supposed to stick out, and I've been trying to force my way to shove it in there, but it stops really right where it's supposed to fit in, you know. That's going to be frustrating forever. I mean, this purchase from Crunchyroll, it just came in stock at Crunchyroll, and I decided last minute, hey, I'm gonna pick this up. And I had pretty decent expectations. Well, I had really good expectations because the Rengoku figure was so great. But man, just getting these wings to fit, that is probably it's gonna piss me off, guys. But overall, I mean, when you are trying to display him, like, no one's really gonna notice it anyways. So when I just put it in my Billy bookcase, it's really not gonna show. If you put it in your D-top, it's not really gonna show that. If you angle it just right too. But other than that, man, this figure is freaking awesome. And then the claws and everything, the detail, it's great for the price. I know they're releasing the Angelmon. So this is making me more and more want to buy that Angelmon. I'm not that big of a Digimon fan, but I'm definitely, it has a special place in my heart growing up. I grew up as a kid in the late 90s, Digimon and Pokemon was like my favorite shows during that time. And WarGreymon is such an iconic character. If there's anything in the Digimon universe that I want to get, it's definitely this WarGreymon or anything WarGreymon related. And better yet, I got the little kid to go with them, which is tight as hell. So I know a lot of people don't like re-releases, especially if it's like a limited edition. It's supposed to be limited in some way, and then bring it back. I am actually someone that, you know, the bigger the growth, the more you get people interested in buying these figures, the bigger the industry is going to be, and the more figures that they're going to make. And, you know, they can make more figures maybe, but make limited editions of those. So I don't know why Megahouse re-released this, but I'm pretty happy that they did, and it's probably making a lot of Digimon fans happy about this. So I am happy about the figure, but the wings, the only two parts that you had to get right was literally the back pieces, and it didn't cut out just right. So it's gonna bother me. I don't really know what to do to try to get it to shove in there, but at least it just stays on there. It hangs on there and it doesn't like fall off or anything. So it could have been worse. Whatever. It's gonna annoy me, but this figure it's amazing. It really is though. The detail, the painting, you know, you got the little veins popping out and everything. That's freaking awesome. Yeah. Other than that, please like the video, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. No one's really subscribed. Maybe a friend or two to subscribe to my channel. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. I also have an anime blog where I talk about, you know, I give a more detailed analysis of these anime figures, and also I've been beginning to make a lot of blog posts about, you know, new anime that's coming out like Demon Slayer, Attack on Titan. You know, I give you a different perspective that most people won't give you. So I hope that you guys can connect with that. Yeah, I definitely recommend you guys getting this figure. Hopefully, it's most likely you guys are gonna get him and not have to deal with the back piece of him. So if there's any way that you guys know that I could contact Megahouse or whatever, and they could tell me to do something about this back piece, that would help out a lot. But if not, I'll just have to deal with him looking like this. It's not that big of a deal, but it's literally the only two pieces that goes on him. So again, like the video, subscribe, check out my blog at otakusin.com. You know, I give you a different perspective there that you guys will be interested in. I'll see you guys on the next video.
All right, quick update. I actually ended up returning WarGreymon. I don't want to keep a figure that is not like 100% like complete. The fact that it doesn't fit all the way into his back is very disappointing to me. So I ended up returning him back to Crunchyroll for a full refund. So yeah, that's what I did.